Xavier Production. Another day, another learning. Blockchain's role, empowering digital democracy. A step-by-step learning guide. Introduction. Engaging visual introduction with dynamic graphics and catchy music. Explain the significance of blockchain technology in transforming industries and empowering individuals. Outline the purpose of the video, to provide a comprehensive guide on how blockchain enables digital democracy. Segment 1. Understanding blockchain fundamentals. 1. What is blockchain? Define blockchain and its core features: decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Use simple animations to illustrate the concept of blocks and chains. 2. How does blockchain work? Break down the process of adding transactions to the blockchain through consensus mechanisms. Introduce the idea of miners, validators, and their role in maintaining the network. Segment 2. Building blocks of digital democracy. 1. Decentralized systems. Explain how decentralization eliminates the need for intermediaries and enhances trust. Use real-world examples like peer-to-peer transactions and supply chain management. 2. Transparent transactions. Showcase how transparency ensures every transaction is publicly recorded and verifiable. Use a practical example to track the journey of a product from producer to consumer. 3. Immutable records. Emphasize the importance of immutability in maintaining a secure and tamper-proof history. Highlight cases where blockchain's immutability can prevent fraud and corruption. Segment 3. Empowering digital voting. 1. Challenges with traditional voting. Discuss the vulnerabilities of traditional voting systems, including fraud and voter suppression. Share real-world instances where blockchain-based voting could have made a difference. 2. Blockchain voting solutions. Explain how blockchain can revolutionize the voting process by ensuring transparency and security. Describe the steps involved in creating a blockchain-based voting system. 3. Practical demonstration. Creating a decentralized voting app. Walk through the process of building a simple blockchain-based voting application using a programming environment. Showcase the steps to create a smart contract, set up a user interface, and execute a secure vote. Segment 4. Tokenization and digital ownership. 1. Tokenization explained. Define tokenization and its role in representing ownership of assets on the blockchain. Use relatable examples like digital art, real estate, and collectibles. 2. Creating a digital asset. Guide viewers through the process of creating and minting a digital asset, token. Explain the benefits of fractional ownership and global accessibility. 3. Case study. NFT marketplace. Showcase a successful NFT marketplace and interview an artist who benefits from blockchain-based ownership. Segment 5. Real-world applications and future prospects. 1. Blockchain in supply chain management. Discuss how blockchain enhances transparency and traceability in supply chains. Use a case study to illustrate the impact on product authenticity. 2. Financial inclusion and remittances. Highlight blockchain's potential in providing financial services to the unbanked and facilitating cross-border transactions. Share success stories from regions with limited banking infrastructure. 3. Exploring the future. Envision the potential growth of blockchain technology beyond its current applications. Discuss emerging trends like decentralized finance, DeFi, and the integration of blockchain in Internet of Things, IoT, devices. Conclusion. Summarize the key takeaways from the video. Encourage viewers to explore further and stay informed about blockchain's evolving role in shaping digital democracy. We are inviting our viewers to like, subscribe, and share their thoughts in the comments. Please view our channel's other videos and we encourage you to connect for more content. We appreciate our viewers for their time and interest, and express excitement for the future of blockchain technology and digital democracy. Thanks for watching. Xavier Production. Please like and subscribe our channel.